Okay, put it on the dryer, Delia.
Over here, over here. Thank you. The pot, the pot.
She might need help with that.
Thank you, Talia, for washing the dishes.
Delia, why don't you clean at home?
I like the way she does her hands.
Yeah, she's good.
She does it a few times. I think she learned that from the cartoon. You know, they show them how they wash their hands.
Okay, Delia, enough soap.
No more soap, Talia. Just a little bit. That's good. That's it. No more. You're done.
Okay, Delia, close it.
Thank you, Talia. No, but it's just too much for her. It is just too much. She understands. She follows directions.
Mhm. Good job.
Yay.
Gotta rinse all the soap off. Delia, you clean better than Poppy. All done?
No.
Nope.
Done, Talia? Done? No. I'll help you.
Can Mama help you?
No.
No.
Squeeze it, Talia. Squeeze the water out. No, squeeze the